Welcome to Iguana Biz. What is today? It's January 23rd, and I know a lot of people are snowed in this weekend. This is the weekend to build your team of 39 simple 3 by 3 matrix, and you'll be earning $500 by the end of the month. Doc Lex is here, and we're going to go over a little bit on the products, a little bit on the comp plan, give you some updates, and get you all back on the phones and get ready for our webinar where you can follow the steps. So, Doc, I'm going to pass it over to you for a few minutes, and you can share with them a lot of it.
All right, thanks a lot, Lisa. I'm going to cover some updates here in just a little bit, and but first of all, I just want to run you through the money and the products real quick. You know, a couple of statistics that hit pretty close to home for so many people in the United States. Is this one here. 63% of Americans don't have enough money in savings to cover a $500 emergency, and that's a huge percentage. Going a step further, and I couldn't find the article this morning, but I had an article a couple weeks ago and it's a very large percentage of people in the United States when they retire, when they leave their full-time job, they're either living at that point in poverty or they're very near poverty. And, you go a step further, 71% of network marketers never earn more than $100 a month. And so where am I going with this? There's no better industry to take your income to the next level than the industry that we're in right here. And but what do you need? You need a vehicle. You need a vehicle that's going to take you there. If 71% of network marketers have never earned more than $100 a month, what makes this industry so great? Everybody should be making more than $100 a month. Everybody should be making more than $200, $300, etc. And with the launch of Iguana Biz, I'm telling you, there's no better company with the way this is put together to help yourself and to help your team earn a really substantial income. And it all starts with helping people. See, that's the way this industry got started umpteen years ago. Amway led the way, but it was people helping people. You put a team together, then you help those guys get into a profit. You help those guys build a team. And somewhere along the way, it seems like the industry kind of got away from that. It's join now and you're going to live happy the rest of your life, but nothing ever happens. You know what I mean? People jump around. This Iguana Biz, I think is going to bring us back to basics. And one reason I really feel this way is the fact that we've got a very simple matrix, a 3 by 3. Other companies have had 3 by 3s, and but what makes this one special? Well, the 100% matching override commission in phase 2. So what does that mean? It means that each and every one of you, as a team builder, as a leader, as someone that really wants to take your income to the next level, how do you do that? You've got to help the people on your team. This 100% match encourages you and rewards you for doing just that. So if I share this with 1, 2, 10, 20, 39, or whatever the number happens to be, I'm going to get rewarded for that. But the people that I share this with, guess what? It's going to be very advantageous for me to help them fill up their 3 by 3. So we're going to work together as a team. We're back to people helping people. We're back to leaders, not just throwing numbers out there, but leaders really helping their team. And I could give you a handful of people right now that's on this call that's doing just that. They want to make sure that the people they bring on board are filling up their 3 by 3. So if you've never earned money in this industry, if you've never earned money, in any of the home-based business opportunities, let me tell you, this is the right company at the right time because of the 100% match. We're going to go a step further. Once you get into profit and you're earning $500 a month, obviously we have a phase 2. That's where but guess what? We've got another 100% match, and it's in a 4 by 4. This is our sister company that's been around for 7 years. So that tells you there's some strength here, that we've been there and done that. And so I'm looking forward to getting this thing launched. Now, to give you just a little bit of an update, looks like I'm going to Atlanta tomorrow afternoon. We're going to sit down and kind of make sure that we get everything put in place. I was going to head out today, but the roads are still kind of messy around here just a little bit, and we are going to sit down and make sure we get this thing launched next week. So that's really the update. I want to get this thing going. We're going to do a commission run on the 31st. A week from tomorrow, and we do a commission run. So there's a lot of people that's been part of this pre-launch. Some since the last week of November, and then December. We missed our mark December 15th. We will. Everybody that's joined, obviously, it's $53 out of pocket, so no one's paid more than that. February starts to $33 a month. Many of you are going to be well into profit. We've got people that have filled up their matrix. We've got people that have filled up more than one matrix, and the fact that they have themselves, their spouse, and their company in, that's a head start, right? That's $1,500 a month, and it creates so many different scenarios. I don't know. I don't know why hope seems to want to, pop out of my mouth. But I've talked to a lot of people, over the last few days, and some people were really in, dire straits, needing some income, and this Iguanabiz has given them hope. But the thing about it is, they're ready to work for it because they can see that they can make it happen with this opportunity. Now, I want to walk you through some products, and then I'm going to come back and, go over the money with you. We started out with ebooks. I had some people want to know all about our products and if there's enough value there and so forth. Is it products that you can retail? Well, I think you're going to love our product packages. Our ebooks are set up pretty much like the Book of the Month Club. Each month you'll have an ebook coming your way. Our ebooks are pretty versatile in the fact that some will be a little bit of a motivational, some will be a little bit of a how-to, some will be business building, some will be tax information, things like that. Then we've got the home study guide. So you talk about tax information. We've got a lot of tax info in the home study guide. It's a little bit of a Franklin planner. It's a little bit of a daily planner, for a lack of a better word, to go along with that. And it's got a whole bunch of stuff that's going to help you keep up with your business. In the home-based business arena, there's tons of tax advantages, and most people don't realize exactly what they can and can't do. And so we're going to show you how to take advantage of this. We've got a couple of guys that have financial planning backgrounds, and they're going to have some input into this home study guide as well. And this brings me up to another thing about our product packages. We're always a work in progress, meaning we're always looking for products that we can add to help give you more value. The prescription drug card that so many people have used over the past 7 years, it definitely saves people money. T-Lock over in Atlanta called me up one Sunday afternoon and said, "Doc, you won't believe this. I saved more money with the prescription card than I did with my insurance card." He's got health insurance. He works for a Fortune 500 company, and he needed a prescription filled. He gave his insurance information, and then all of a sudden it hit him. He said, "Hey, just check this card out. Let's see what the difference would be." You can't use the card with the insurance. You have to use it either or. And so they ran the card. This was CVS Pharmacy, and he saved more money with this pharmacy card than he did with his health insurance. So he was extremely excited about that, and which tells us what? That we've got a pretty doggone good pharmacy card. There's a lot of them out there, but I guarantee you we've got an excellent card. We've got a marketing system. On a call last week, Lisa went over what it cost her years ago to put together something very similar to what we have as a product. She had to, get an autoresponder and put together a host for it, put together a domain name, and on and on and on, come up with her own messages and so forth. we've got a top-of-the-line online marketing tool, and it's one of our products. It comes with templates and pre-written messages and autoresponders. It's an excellent way to build your business. We've got some products that you can purchase at wholesale, turn around and sell them to your retail customers. Nutritional products with Dr. Teresa. She's just a excellent example of someone that's just totally dedicated to the health industry. She wants to you make sure you know what your illness is and make sure that you're taking the right product for that illness. She's got an extensive background into this, and she does product calls the first and the last Monday of each month. The TV box, excellent product. A lot of companies have put that out there to help their customers. So do you see what we've done here? We've gone overboard. Now, when we get to phase 2 next month, we'll have a travel card with additional things attached to it, such as close to 3,000 merchants that give you discounts. And, this is going to be an excellent product package as well. So we've gone overboard with value. You can take any of our packages. Let's take the home study guide. We could have printed that book out and put a fancy cover to it and shipped it to you. What would we have to do? We'd have to up the monthly cost because we'd have to cover the shipping cost. We'd have to cover the printing, have to cover the handling of it and so forth. So what we did, we put that in your back office so you can, print it out. And maybe you need a chart each week to keep up with your mileage. You'll see that in there. Maybe you want to keep up with, your appointments and what happened on each appointment. Maybe you have a goal sheet that you need, and you see what I mean? You can print each of these type things out as you need them. So I think we've got an excellent product package. You don't have to stock your garage with a bunch of stuff you just don't need, and we're here to help you save some money. But more important than that, we're here to help you make 2016 the best year you've ever had. And all we're going to, encourage you to do on a daily basis, I hope you hear this till, you go around singing it, and that's follow the steps, follow the steps, follow the steps, follow the steps. The teams that have come in here, the leaders, they know the importance of following the steps. So what does that do? It keeps everybody making money. Following the steps starts with phase 1 of IguanaBiz. It's a 3x3, 3 on level 1, 3 people helping 3, so that's 9. Those 9 helping 3, so there's your 3 levels, 3, 9, 27, a total of 39 people. Very doable, even if you are not one that has really got a history of recruiting. If you can share this with a few people, 3, and help those guys do the same thing, you're in profit. That's $51 on level 2. See, there's a $5 commission on 1, a $4 commission on 2, and 17 on 3. So for all you savvy networkers, what did we do? We flip-flopped it. Instead of putting a high number on the first level, which would cover the monthly cost, which most companies do, we put the high number on the level 3, meaning there's more people on level 3. There's 27, so 27 times 17 is $450. Our goal was to put at least $500 a month in your pocket, and that's what we were able to accomplish, by flipping it. And, with the phase 1 becoming a very doable little 3x3 to put $500 a month in your pocket, what does that do when phase 2, when you take advantage of phase 2? Well, see, you've got yourself and your team in profit because you're helping your team build their 3x3, right? So when you come over into phase 2 and your team follows you, you've completed the next 2x2. All of a sudden you've got another $500. So that's $500 in phase 1, $500 in phase 2. So there's $1,000. What if? And we've got people on this call right now that have already done that. They put their spouse in, and they filled up their first 3x3 phase one. They will have that team to complete the phase two 3x3 as soon as that's over. So what does that? That means one party has $1,000 and the spouse also has $1,500 and $500. Some people have gone as far as put their company in, and we've been putting together charts, and the ones that do have their themselves, their spouse, and their company in, they pretty much got their company filled up as well. So you can pick up $3,000 a month, just helping your team for three levels, 3, 9, 27. So this has got opportunity written all over it, and it goes a step further. You get a 100% match. Now, the 100% match means everyone that you share this with, you have the opportunity to earn a $500 matching override commission on each and every one. What happens if they've only got 2 levels filled up? Well, it means you pick up an extra 50, they pick up an extra 50. What happens if they've got anywhere in between? That's right. You get a 100% match. If they've got $100 coming in each and every month, you've got that coming in. The goal is you want to get them to $510 a month by filling up that 3x3 matrix. And, I'm seeing that, and Lisa, I know you agree with me, we're seeing that teamwork. We've got several teams where they're saying, hey, place this one under so-and-so, this one under so-and-so, this one under so-and-so, because they're helping their team get into place. Now, we as a company are going left to right, so we're trying to fill in some gaps for you while you go from top to bottom, while you put together your 3, and while they put together their 3, what we're doing, is helping you, fill up the matrix as well. So this is an opportunity which is easy to say it'll take your income to the next level, but and if your income is 0, what is the next level? What is your goal? See, that's the thing that you've got to come up with. You've got to make that commitment to make it happen, and that means, don't pass up an opportunity to share this with someone. We do these calls on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Don't pass up an opportunity to try to steer somebody to the call. They might learn something. They might just catch on fire. And we do webinars. Now, what do we share with them on the webinars? We bring in the Freeway Connection, our sister company that's 7 years old. So let me just share this with you. Normally, we don't go into this part, but I just want to show you that when you put together a team of 39, and if you take our lead by talking to categories, and I'm just going to run through a few categories to show you the power in team building through categories. Waitresses. Who do waitresses know? They know their customers. They know other waitresses. Putting together a team of 39 waitresses, I think, is pretty doable. You agree? How about insurance reps? There's thousands of insurance reps. We can show you how to find these insurance reps by going to the State Department of Insurance, doesn't matter which state, and doing a little research, putting in a name of a company. What you're looking for with insurance companies are companies that do a lot of recruiting, because most of those guys quit. Most of them need money now. And so that's an excellent way to put 39 insurance reps together on your team. How about college students? If you go to jsu.edu, and look at the top of the page, it'll say People Finder. That's Jacksonville State University. They've got about 8,000 students. And when you go to People Finder, you can click on looking for a student and put in the last name of the student. It doesn't matter, any last name. It'll pull up all the students, and it'll give you their email address and their phone number. Excellent way. What are we looking for? 1 or 2, maybe 3 very solid entrepreneur-type students. And I guarantee you it'll spread all over campus. How about convenience store owner-managers? Very doable. I put together over 1,000 convenience stores and truck stops at one point, a whole bunch of years ago. And it's just a matter of talking to people. You can zero in on this particular category. You can show them the NetSpend card and show them how to pick up $20 when they give away a NetSpend card to their customers. You can show them how to be a part of the team of 39 where we're putting together 39 other convenience store guys. So building multiple teams of 39 is very doable. Flea market vendors. Utilize RamboandRocky.com. That's a virtual flea market. That's a tool that we put together which serves as a product as well, because you can save money by shopping online with the flea market vendors that we're board, for Rambo and Rocky. And I could go through tons of other pest control reps, restaurant owners, hair salons, ladies' boutiques, cleaning companies, chiropractors, and so forth. Pick out a category and put together a team of 39, and you'll be glad you did. Now, when you've got that team of 39, where I'm going with this is, you'll see on our webinars how we are teaching, coaching. We're going to pull you across this finish line, push you across this finish line, whatever we have to do to help you take your income even to another level. We've got a 100% match in our 4x4. You can't beat it. You get $1,000 match. You fill up that 4x4. How you fill it up? With the team of 39. Guess what? The team of 39, those 39 guys on levels 1, 2, and 3, they're going to put together their own team of 39 because you're going to help them. When you place your team of 39 in the 4x4 and they have their team of 39, that fills up that 4x4. It's as simple as that. Follow the steps, follow the steps, follow the steps, follow the steps. When you complete that 4x4, you've got $1,360 a month and another paycheck. But more important, everyone that you've shared this with, when they complete their 4x4, which is a team of 39, and then their team of 39 doing the same, you've got a $1,000 match. You're picking up another $1,360. So that just kind of takes you to another little step here, and part of our follow the steps. Iguanabiz is leading the way, and when you will just stay on this track to success, I'm telling you, you can take your income to another level, and there's no better industry than what we're in to take your income to the next level. Basically a rags to riches story, right? We've got people that are members that have lost tons and tons and tons of money, that they're going to make it back with this opportunity. So, we're anxious to get started. Just to recap once again, I'll be going to Atlanta this weekend, and we're going to, make sure that we've got everything, ready to get finished up for launch next week. Lisa and I have got a lot of data to get put in place, and that'll take a day or two. Well, Lisa, it may take 2 or 3, but we'll get it done. Our goal is to make sure we get this commission run on the 31st, and then phase 2. He's been working on phase 1 and phase 2 at the same time, and also the 4x4 I mentioned. So that way, February 14th, when we kick that off, so many people are going to be in profit, and then you're going to be able to take advantage of that 100% match as well. So that's a whole bunch of stuff in a short amount of time, and just like everyone on this call, we love this industry, and we know that we can help a ton of people with this opportunity. And we're networkers just like you. So we want to make sure that we've got a company that's that's been there and done that. That that has the opportunity that can do what we say that it can do. And all the numbers that we throw out there, they're very achievable. This is not rocket science. You can keep up with the numbers. You can see where the dollars go. And most important, we've got a company here that with the iguana and all the little characters we've got attached to it, it creates a visual effect where people want to know what's going on with this doggone lizard. So I just think it's one of the best marketing opportunities out there right now. So Lisa, I'm going to turn it over to you. We'll open it up for a few questions because we've got a webinar coming up, and I've got paperwork scattered that I've got to get you to help me put back together.